It's been good going for the market, especially this week. Both the Nifty as well as the Nifty Bank have managed to surge 4 days in a row, despite the fact that there has been some uncertainty around the US election outcome. The Nifty Bank has managed to surge more than double digit for this week itself, and it is on track for the best week since 31st of May 2020. Also, the fact that the Sensex has managed to turn positive for the year, and the Nifty is now just less than 50 points away from turning positive for this year. On the flip side, you have the Nifty Bank, which has been the rank underperformer this year. It is still down about 18% for the year 2020. However, there have been some positive signs that we have picked up during recent times. On the technical analysis front, especially, it has managed to trade above the three key moving averages, which is the 50, 100 as well as the 200-day moving average. Also, the fact that this week we have made a golden crossover pattern on the Nifty Bank charts. What does that mean is when the 50-day moving average crosses above the 200-day moving average, in technical analysis parlance, it is considered to be a bullish chart pattern, and it is also a rare chart pattern that we have seen on the Nifty Bank, because if you backtest the results of how the golden cross has performed on the Nifty Bank, there have been just about 15 instances in the last 2 decades that we've had a golden crossover for the Nifty Bank, and the results are quite enthusing if you have a look at it. The total number of golden crosses that we've got in the last 2 decades has been 15, and the total number of winning trades out of that have been 9, while 6 have been losing trades. Now, the average gain during each of these trades that the Nifty Bank has yielded has been in excess of 8%. That is a handsome return that we have for the Nifty Bank. So definitely looks very interesting on the charts. Also promises to be on the upside that we are looking at, and 8% return on a historical basis. That would mean that we could have another 2,000 to 3,000 point rally on the Nifty Bank. Also, if you have a look at the individual stock performance of the Nifty Bank constituents, all of the stocks that we have in the Nifty Bank are still negative for the year, with the fact that HDFC Bank and Kotak Bank are less than 1% away from turning positive for the year. Most of the stocks that we track, they have managed to surge above their 50 and 200-day moving average. I will have a look at that and tell you just in a bit. The number of stocks that are above their 50-day moving average is all of them except for PNB, while on the other hand you have most of the stocks that have surged above their 200-day moving average as well, with the exception of Federal Bank, Bank of Baroda, and once again PNB languishing behind. But the golden crossover definitely promises there could be more green on the screen for Nifty Bank.